Good afternoon, my dear colleagues and guests. Welcome to the second regular meeting of the Special Committee on Senior Citizens. Last month, we had our organizational meeting and approval of the committee internal rules of procedure. Having addressed these important matters and in the performance of our mandate, we shall now proceed with the consideration of various measures that deal with the welfare of millions of senior citizens in our country. Today, we have before us several measures providing for universal coverage of social pension, which will effectively not only amend the recently lapsed into law Republic Act 11916, but also widen its coverage by granting pension to all citizens without distinction as to their economic status. Through these measures and the support of the members of this committee, we hope to further improve the welfare and quality of life of our senior citizens. This is not only to recognize their contribution to nation building in the past, but to continue to address their needs as active members of our society. With that, let us now buckle down to work and act on the measures referred to our committee. Thank you. Now for our hearing proper. This meeting shall be divided into two parts for purposes of an orderly conduct of our meeting. Part 1 is the measures increasing social pension to indigent senior citizens, and Part 2, measures on the universal social pension. Now, Part 1. 8 measures with (508, 551, 1213, 2294, 3326), all entitled An Act Increasing Republic Act number 7432, entitled An Act to Maximize the Contribution of Senior Citizens to Nation Building, Grant Benefits and Special Privileges, and for other purposes, as amended, authored by the An Act Increasing the Social Pension of Indigent Senior Citizens and Appropriating Funds Therefore, amending for the purpose Republic Act number 7432, entitled An Act to Maximize the Contribution of Senior Citizens to Nation Building, Grant Benefits and Special Privileges, and for other purposes, as amended, and for other purposes. Authored by Representative Bienvenido Abante. And House Bill number 4093, entitled an act introducing a tyrant system as amended, otherwise known as the Expanded Senior Citizens Act of 2010, authored by Representative Maidi Kua. For the above-mentioned bills, I want to inform the body and let it be put on record that the measures seeking to increase the social pension for indigent senior citizens referred to this committee are already covered by Republic Act number 11916, entitled An Act Increasing the Social Pension of Indigent Senior Citizens and Appropriating Funds Therefore. Honorable Plato, you are recognized.
Mr. Chair, I move for the approval of the motion to lay on the table these measures seeking to increase pension of indigent senior citizens. I so move, Mr. Chair.
I second, Mr. Chair.
Considering that there is a motion for the approval of the motion to lay on the table these measures seeking to increase pension of indigent senior citizens, and the same has been duly seconded. There being no objection, the motion is hereby approved. I now direct the committee secretariat to inform the authors of the said measures in writing that the same were already covered by Republic Act number 11916 and attaching therein a copy of the said law.